Welcome to physics class. This is continuation of energy consumption. So let's take more work example. What is the cost of running 550 watts lamps and 400 watt lamps for 10 hours if electrical energy costs $2 per kilowatt? Solution. We all know that in calculating energy consumption, we use E equals to P times T, where P is your power, and your power must be in kilowatts, and T is your time, and your time must be in hours. So let's get our P. We have 550 watts. That will be 5 times 50. We also have 400 watts. That will be 4 times 100 as power. So let's get the total power. 5 times 50 is 250, plus 4 times 100 is 400. This will give us 650 watts, and it must be in kilowatts. That will be 650 divided by 1000. That is 0.65 kilowatts. Our T is 10 hours. 10. So therefore, using equation 1, we have P to be 0.65 and time to be 10 hours. So if you do that, 0.65 times 10 will give us 6.5 kilowatt hour as the unit of electricity used. Let's calculate the cost. 6.5 times the amount is $2, and that will give us 6.5 times 2 dollars. Let's take more example. Okay, let's take this example. A landlord has 8 40-watt light bulbs, 4 60-watt bulbs, and 200-watt bulb in his house. If he has up point on for 5 hours daily, and if NEPA charges 5 kobo per unit, calculate his bill for 30 days. As usual solution, we use E equals to P times T, where P is the power and it must be in kilowatts, and T is your time, it must be in hours. So let's get all our P's. So the landlord has 8 40 watt, 8 times 40, and 4 60 watts, 4 times 60, and 200 watts in his house. So that is the total power. Let's do that. 8 times 40, $320, plus 4 times 60, 240, plus 2 times 100, 200. So all the power, 320 plus 240 plus 200. We have 760 watts. And we must convert it to kilowatts. That will be 760 divided by 1000. And that will be 0.76 kilowatts. The next one is to get our time. The time must be in hours. So if he has up point on for 5 hours daily, 5 hours daily, for 30 days times 30, 5 times 30, that will give us 150 hours. So therefore, using equation 1, E equals to PT, will be our P is 0.76, our time is 150. If you do that, 0.76 times 150 will give us 114 kilowatts hour. So therefore, cost will be 114 times 5 kobo. 114 times 5, that will give us 570 kobo. We can also put it in naira. That will be 570 divided by 100, and that will be 5 naira 70 kobo. Thank you.